Subtle common signs of sleep deprivation are excessive daytime sleepiness, poor concentration, fatigue, moodiness, and decreased libido, among other symptoms.
Create your own AI animated avatar in 2 minutes, step-by-step full guide. If you are looking for an avatar maker to create a cartoon avatar from a photo, this guide is for you. I have a request. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and stay with us. First, open any browser. Then go to google.com. Click search bar, then type studio.d. Click enter. Click on the first website link. We need to create an account on this website. Click this icon. Click login and sign up. Click sign up. Then open new tab. Click search icon and then type temp mail. Here's why are you using a temp mail. I will tell you a little later. Click on the first link. Copy the mail address. Here you enter name. Paste the copied email address here. Then type the password here. Tick this icon. Then click sign up. Now a confirmation SMS will be sent the email address you provide. We will now open the email. Then click confirm my account. Guys, our account is open. See, here we have 20 credit in our account. When the credit run out, then you can create new account from temp mail and create video. Click create video. Here are some character you can select any character from here. Or you can make videos with your own photos if you want. Click add button. Now select your image. I am using a cartoon character to show here. You can make your video by typing text here. But I will using audio here. You can use your own voice here if you want. Or there are various websites that do text to speech conversion that you can generate from them as well. Click upload your own voice. Select your voice. Then click on generate video option. Click on generate. Here you can see that it will take 8 credits to make my video. So when it runs out, you can make unlimited video using temp mail. Click on generate. Wait for a while, the video will be generated depending on your internet speed. My video is done. Now I will download the video. Click 3 dot icon. Then select download. Click on generate. The video is downloaded. Now we will open it and watch it. Friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my channel. In this channel of my new, we'll find all type of health related videos. So without delay, if you are new our to channel, please subscribe and stay with us and click on the bell icon to get the next video first. I have a request. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and stay with us.